Is AIADMK in trouble after the recent order by the Madras High Court? Several people who were actually expelled from the AIADMK had gone ahead and they had approached the Election Commission to investigate and inquire about Edappadi K. Palaniswamy being chosen as the General Secretary in the General Council meeting, and also about the twin leaf symbol being given to AIADMK. This is a long-standing political battle that also went to the Madras High Court Madurai bench, where AIADMK representatives claim that the Election Commission does not have the authority to interfere into internal party matters, and that actually stood in Madras High Court Madurai bench. However, petitioners Pugarendi O.P. Ravindranath, who is the son of O. Paneerselvam and K.C. Palaniswamy, approached Madras High Court, where a two-judge bench listened to the arguments between the two parties and vacated the stay and claimed that the Election Commission should actually first find out whether it has the authorities to investigate these petitions, and this has been considered as a victory by Team OPS, O. Paneerselvam. However, AIADMK considers this as a victory, claiming that the court has only substantiated what they have sought for. So far, the court has only said that Election Commission should first find out whether it has the authority to involve in internal party matters, and AIADMK senior leader C.V. Shanmugam said that the people who have been removed, expelled from the party, are the ones who had gone ahead and filed these petitions, and this will not stand.
Clearly what we asked, our prayer is Election Commission has no jurisdiction. No jurisdiction to interfere in the internal affairs of the party. It has only power under 29A and para 15. There is no petition. Under 29A, it can only register the party, and it can any changes made in the party, it can generally take into record. That's all. It cannot go into the inquiry into whether it is true or false, legally or illegality of the changes. It cannot. No power. Though all the petitions before the Election Commission filed by these so-called persons, the expelled persons, the person who are not member of the party, who contest against the General Secretary, against two lists, now he claims to be AIADMK, filed, all claiming against the changes made in the party, which is a subject matter of the High Court suit. High Court suit. So the Election Commission has totally no power, no jurisdiction. That is what our prayer before the High Court. So High Court, after recording our son, now what we asked, now Election Commission, High Court directed the Election Commission, before you go into the representation, you decide your authority, whether you are having authority or not under Section 29A and para 15.
So AIADMK does not...
Our prayer was totally accepted.
AIADMK does not consider this as a setback?
No, it is our victory. It's what we asked. Now High Court asked the Election Commission to do.
Your petition has been actually, the stay has been vacated.
That is not different. You cannot put a blanket order on the Election Commission to not to inquire. It is a constitutional body. But the Premier was the initial stage given a stay. After hearing the stay petition, Election Commission, High Court directed the Election Commission, you decide the jurisdiction point. Then you proceed. That's our prayer.
Sorry to ask, but the expelled parties are welcoming this order.
They are lying. That is the propaganda. You read the judgment. You watch the argument. What we are asked, election was no jurisdiction. You decide the jurisdiction. Our play is Election Commission first to decide the jurisdiction. You are out of jurisdiction. That's what the court asked the Election Commission to decide on the jurisdiction. So all the reputation never fall under the 29A and para 15. Then where is the setback?
இன்றைக்கு வழங்கப்பட்டிருக்கின்ற தீர்ப்பு தேர்தல் ஆணையத்திற்கு மனுவை விசாரிக்கலாம் என்ற தீர்ப்பின் அடிப்படையில் திரு எடப்பாடி பழனிசாமி அவர்கள் போட்ட மனு தள்ளுபடி செய்யப்பட்டிருக்கிறது. தர்மந்தன் வாழுதனை சூதுகவும் மீண்டும் தர்மமே வெல்லும் என்பது இன்றைக்கு நிரூபணம் செய்யப்பட்டிருக்கிறது.
Pramod Madhav, Point.